Welcome back! In this lesson, we're going to explore one of the best-kept secrets of meal planning success: using leftovers creatively. Leftovers aren't boring. They're an opportunity to save time, reduce waste, and enjoy new meals with minimal effort. With a little creativity, you can turn yesterday's dinner into something exciting and fresh. Let's start with why leftovers matter. Cooking every day can be exhausting. By repurposing what you've already made, you maximize your time in the kitchen and minimize food waste, saving both money and energy. Step 1. Plan for leftovers. When you're meal planning, intentionally cook a little extra. Double your portions of grains, proteins, or vegetables so you have a foundation for tomorrow's meal. This isn't just about reheating, it's about reinventing. Step 2. Think in components, not full meals. Instead of cooking single-use dishes, prepare versatile building blocks, like grilled chicken, roasted veggies, rice, or beans. These ingredients can be transformed into entirely new meals. Step 3. Reimagine your proteins. Leftover chicken can become chicken salad, tacos, wraps, or stir-fry. Cooked beef can turn into burrito bowls or pasta sauce. Even fish can be repurposed into fish cakes or grain bowls. Step 4. Reinvent your grains. Cooked rice can become fried rice, burrito bowls, or breakfast rice pudding. Leftover quinoa can be tossed into salads or mixed with veggies for a quick lunch. Step 5. Transform vegetables. Roasted vegetables are extremely versatile. Use them in omelets, sandwiches, soups, or pasta. You can even blend them into sauces or purees for added flavor and nutrition. Step 6. Make soups and stews your best friend. Nearly any leftover ingredient can be turned into a hearty soup or stew. Combine your odds and ends with broth, spices, and herbs. It's an easy way to use everything in your fridge. Step 7. Try the mix and match bowl method. Combine a base grain, a protein, and some veggies, then top with your favorite dressing or sauce. It's one of the simplest and most satisfying ways to reuse leftovers. Step 8. Use sauces to change the flavor. The same base ingredients can taste completely different with a new sauce. Think teriyaki, pesto, salsa, or tzatziki. Sauces are your secret weapon for variety. Step 9. Store leftovers properly. Divide them into single portions in airtight containers, label with dates, and refrigerate or freeze. This keeps food fresh and ready for your next creative transformation. Step 10. Get inspired by global cuisines. Use your leftovers to experiment. Turn roast chicken into Thai curry, roasted veggies into Mediterranean wraps, or beans and rice into Mexican burritos. A few spices or herbs can make a big difference. Step 11. Freeze extra meals for busy days. Label and date everything before freezing and rotate your stock so older meals get used first. Soups, casseroles, and grain bowls are freezer-friendly and reheat beautifully. Step 12. Keep a leftovers night. Once a week, plan a night where you combine all your remaining ingredients into new meals or buffet-style options. It's a fun and efficient way to clean out the fridge and get creative. Finally, remember that leftovers are a sign of smart meal planning, not waste. The goal isn't to eat the same thing every day. It's to make your food work harder for you. Here's your quick recap. Plan for leftovers, cook flexible components, use sauces for variety, and mix and match creatively. When you see leftovers as opportunities, not repeats, you unlock a whole new level of meal planning efficiency. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to keep your meals exciting week after week by mastering flavor combinations and seasoning techniques. Let's make your leftovers deliciously new again.